Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to create a gig on your Fiverr account to earn more money. So I hope you will get my last videos and create your Fiverr account. If you get any trouble, you can ask me questions in the comment section. I will answer your questions. So without wasting our time, we'll move to our Chrome browser. As we are on our mobile phone, so here we will be asking for our mobile phone, and after done this, our 55% is completed. Minimum 65% is required. So we will add some more information about us in step 2. In step 2, we will add some more information about us. Here we will add a new skill in social media. Why? There is no typing. We will type here and copy. We will type social media marketer, social media marketing. We will copy this one and paste here. As we are on our cell phone, so we will paste some of the social media marketing, and I have experience intermediate in this skill. Here I am an expert in SEO, intermediate level, and I am expert in Facebook marketing, expert level. So I will add this one and we'll move forward. I hope that information should be the necessary. Some things is required, so I will type my number. They will send the confirmation code to my number. When I will receive, I will copy and paste 9. So this is not working. Verification code is 9479 9479. I will submit code 9479. So as I put the code, they are not accepting my code. Here is the code 96559655. So I will submit code. That's completed. Here they will ask questions. What was the name of your first pet? I will put the name of my childhood friend for the verification. So in the Fiverr, I received a message. No, my profile is 70%. No, I will move forward and finish this one. So here is the platform where I can create my gig. So I will create my gig to sell my services. Here I will give the title of the gig: YouTube channel promotion and monetization. Here is the title of the my gig. So here they are asking me the category. Select a category: digital marketing. Select a subcategory: social media marketing. Now they're asking me which type of social marketing you're doing. So my platform is YouTube. Service type: of service is social content, because I'm working on social content. YouTube. Now I will save and continue. Yeah, I was missing some information. Here I will add tags. As your tags will powerful, your gig will be growth well. YouTube channel promotion YouTube video promotion channel YouTube channel monetization. Here we will give the 3 tags. You can give maximum 5 tags. Save and continue. Here our gig is ready. and our tags cannot take more than 20 characters, so I will remove the other two tags. So here some steps: the pricing of the service. You will select with your own sub. Thanks for watching.